Hi guys, my name is Anthony and this is Crypto for You. This is a right now emergency update. Today I will be talking about Bitcoin, and right now it is actually breaking out really high. And so guys, you can see that, remember in my last video that we had this triangle and it's right now breaking out of it. So I'll talk to you about where we could go. So let's get into the video. So guys, you can see that since we broke out of this triangle, since we broke out of it, we're actually going up. And so you can see the Bollinger Bands, they are still opening. They're kind of closing, but they are still opening right here. They started opening again. And so that means we could keep going up. Another thing, like I think that we would be going up, let's see, I think we would go up to like this level maybe and test, like maybe stop there for a tiny bit, because if we break it, I just want to show you guys something. Remember the monthly time frame? And a long time ago I was talking, let me just turn off the Bollinger Bands, I was actually talking about the VPVR, and if we break a specific level, we will actually be in thin air. So the big level is 12,480, so 12,500. And the last time actually we got rejected. When we tried to tap it, we got rejected. We could actually be going right there. This is actually really big. 12,400 is there. Let me just draw the line. It's right here, so we can be getting just get a percentage bar. And let's see, we could be going another 2%, and then we're going to tap this place, 12,500. We broke 12,000. We broke this line. It said if we're going to get rejected out of here, we're going to fall to 11,300 and test it. But I did say if we break out of this, that we could be going to test 12,400, 12,300, somewhere about there. So we're probably going to test 10,500, 10,400, somewhere about in those lines. And so now a couple things we are supposed to look at when there are breakouts is the volume. And I can see that there is some volume. I would like to see more volume, but you can see that there is some volume right here. Compared to this, there's not that much volume, but there is still volume. What does trouble me is that if we go to the RSI and stochastic RSI, we might get like a small reversal, but of course we could just stay in the top. Like you can see that we were really high already, like since like 2 or 3 days ago, we were really high on stochastic RSI, and you can see that we kept going up and going up. And so the stochastic RSI, we could still be going up, but the only thing that's going to be worrying is that as soon as we turn to red on top here, we're going to start falling. As soon as we turn to back to blue on top, we're going to start going up. You can see that actually happened here. We see, I'm going to look at the stochastic RSI, and you can see that we're going to be falling here. We go up here. We're going to be falling here, and we go up here. Is that right? You can see falling, and then we go up, and then we fall, and then we go up right here. And so yeah, that is actually true. Stochastic RSI could be going down and going up, but still like maintaining like it's the price to go up. The stochastic RSI is actually turning to great sell. Good sell is, of course, if we break 70%, well, let's just say percent, 70%, and if we go like turn to like higher than 80, then it's going to be great sell. And right now it's 79.88, so that's like about to break the 80 level. And then if we break 90, that will actually take us to incredible sell. So you can see that these lines are perfectly made to see like for incredible, like in sells and buys, because if we go this level, then it's going to be a buy. Actually, it's actually supposed to be this level. I don't know why it was that level, but actually you can see that we are still breaking out. And so what we're supposed to look at next is what I really want to look at, the big gigantic triangle on the monthly time frame. That has been I've been waiting for this triangle like let's just say for a long time. I don't know, since I've been in crypto, which is actually a pretty long time, I would say myself, for my years. But this triangle, we are by the looks of it breaking out. All we gotta do is just tap confirm support, and of course support is at 11,600. Of course we can, not even in the monthly time frame, we can just like in the 4-hourly time frame, just tap it, and we can see that we actually did. We tapped it in the 4-hourly time frame, and we confirmed the support, and now we're going even higher. So that thing's checked off the list. One really amazing thing is that since we are breaking out of it, and I would actually like on the monthly time frame or at least on the daily time frame to see that we confirm support. Not yet, but that would be actually amazing. I almost said awesome and then amazing. Yeah. Yeah, if we look at where we're gonna go, that's what I really want to see. You can see that this line to this line, you could take it to up here to the point of the breakout, like where we tapped it last, which is right here. That would take us all the way to 25,500. Yeah, that's what it said right here. And so 25,500, that's like in the long term we could be going there. If we could be going like as steep as this incline, I wish, but I don't think. Maybe we could. If people like see that we break this L, then we could be going. I think the either like the 20,000, after we break 20,000, then people are gonna start like foaming in. Maybe like FOMOing in. I mean, maybe like actually lower, like 13,000, like 14,000, somewhere there, where people are just gonna start FOMOing in. But we could be going to $25,000. Wow. So $25,000, we're right now the start of it. But of course, this is going to be like 170%. And if we go like as steep as we go here, which would be actually cool, then we would come there, let's just say June 1st, 2021. And be here today on October 1st, 2020. So that's like less than a year. And so we could be there in less than a year. Let's just say, where's the end of the year? Like right here. We could be at $15,000 by the end of the year. Wow. Since we're breaking out. But of course, we need to like break a couple of levels. And the first level we're supposed to break is, of course, 13,500. If we break this level, then we're going up to the next big resistance level, which is like 13,300. And like just say go $1,000 up. Yeah, 30,300, 30,800, about there. That would be the next target after that. But of course, yeah, 2% more, and then we're going to test this. If we break that, then we're going to go another, let's see how much percent this would be after the 12,500. If we break it, we're going to go 10% on Bitcoin. From 10% to 13,800, where is that? From 10% to 11%, we're gonna go if we break 12,500, which is actually, we got rejected in like, last time we tapped it was in like August 17th, 2020. Yeah, like 2 months ago, but we could be breaking it because, you know, every time we tap it, it gets weaker, and so we could be breaking through it right now. And that means we could be, if we break through 12,500, we're gonna go up 11% to 13,000, like 330,800. That place, that would be the next major resistance. Let's just go make a box, not a like a support and resistance. Let's make a box. Oh, and man, that's actually really bright. Let's make it a little bit dimmer, but this is actually the big box that that's actually where I think we would go. Okay. Yeah. There you go. So you can see that this is where we're going to go if we break 12,400, because you know that there's thin air. If we break 12,400, this is like the most incredible, the most, like the biggest resistance that we have, because like after that, thin air, like not that much. For planes it's bad, for Bitcoin it's really good, thin air. And so this is actually going to be really good if we break 12,500, 12,400. We're going to be going really high, 10%. Put it on 10x leverage, we'll get 100%. So this is really great. So thanks for watching my emergency live stream. Maybe a little bit long, maybe a little bit short for you guys, but this is my emergency live stream. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Bye!